Hey, hi friends, welcome back to Bhau-Automation Lab once again. And today we'll discuss something about one more powerful AI tool. It's called as Gemini AI, which is recently launched by the Google, and it's an advanced version or updated version of Google Bard, which is previously launched by Google. Okay, in the previous video sessions, we have learned how to use the ChatGPT and how ChatGPT uh, will help us while doing the software testing, like a manual testing process or automation testing process. But using Gemini, there are certain in ChatGPT, there are certain challenges which we can't overcome in the Gemini AI. For example, ChatGPT having the knowledge of September to 2021, but using Gemini AI, we can get the real-time data, real-time output, and real-time explanations of your questions. Okay, and Gemini AI will help you to reduce your real-time work time. Actually, if you are learning something related to the software testing, or you are experts in the software testing, but you want to explore more things, okay, and in the systematic way, so you can use the Gemini AI for that. Okay, and in this chapter or in this online video session, we'll understand the step by step how it will help us to reduce your time efforts, to reduce your work process, and it will how it will help to organize your like a code in automation testing, or how to it will help us while if you get or stuck somewhere, and how it will help you to work around with the software manual testing process. Also, everything we'll learn in the session step by step. Okay, so first of all, let's understand practically what is Gemini AI, and how it will help us using manual testing process. Okay, first of all, we learn that. After that, we'll understand how the Gemini AI will help us in automation testing process as well. Okay, so let's start with the practical examples. So first of all, let's open your Chrome browser. Okay, and in the Chrome browser, I'll go to the incognito mode first of all, so you will understand how you can register to the Gemini AI, and how it will work like that. Okay, so go to the Google. Okay, Google, and just type here in the Google Gemini AI. Okay, on Google, and when you uh, press enter, then this type of interface will get open like Google Gemini. Okay, so what is this Gemini AI? So Gemini, Google's new AI. Okay, it's a Bard. Okay, so the explanation is tell us right now. So Gemini Google is a new AI. Okay, Bard is now Gemini. So previous version of this AI is called as a Bard, which is launched by Google. But now we can say this AI will be converted or this like a particular AI will be converted to the name of Gemini. Okay, which is the updated version of this. Okay, okay, we can chat or supercharge a supercharge your ideas, write, learn, plan, or more. And Gemini is the best way to directly access the Google best family of AI models. Okay, all these are the exception related explanation related to this Gemini AI. So what we are trying to understand, we are trying to understand how it will help us in our testing process. Okay, so first of all, how to use this. So just go to the google.com and type Gemini AI, then click on this first link itself, which is coming here. So this is the dashboard of Gemini AI, and you have to just click on this sign in button. Okay, whatever user ID do you have, you can just log in with that. I have this testing user ID, so I'm just logging with using that user ID and password. Okay, so this is our testing email ID related to the Gmail. Okay, so you can directly log in with Gmail, and this is the dashboard page of Gemini AI, which will get open automatically. Here you can see the Gemini AI. We can upgrade as well, but this is the preview version. It's totally preview version where we can access the all real time data. So he will suggest us. How can he help you? Like help to the pick movie to watch based on gender. So these are the ideas. So okay, so but we don't want to do anything related to this, so I can directly start typing here, and uh, like um, uh, asking the new questions related to our work. So we are talking about software testing, so we are asking the question related to the software testing to the Gemini AI. how we can say that it's a little different from the little different from the chat gpt, because here we have some advanced features. Okay, we'll talk about this in the session, what type of uh, like advanced feature we will get in this gemini ai. Okay, so first of all, let's commonly ask one simple question to the like gemini ai, google gemini ai, like in the chat, like who are you, who are you? So this is the simple question I'll just asking to the Gemini AI. So it will processing the data in the backend and it will give you the best answer related to this. Okay, so he's telling us I'm the Gemini, the best way to directly access Google AI. Okay, I'm trained to the large amount of publicly available data and I can communicate with the generated and generate the human like a text response to wide range of questions. Let me know if you would like to learn more, just try me to out say what I can do for you. So he will tell us ki you can ask the questions like what I can do for you, and he will give like Gemini will give you the exact response what he can do. Okay, so let's ask some software related questions because we are learning here the software related questions. Okay, so so first of all, let's ask the question like create like a sample BRD document for my website homepage. Homepage. Okay, so we need to provide the URL here, like related to the homepage. So homepage URL is our website is this automationlab.com, right? So this is our website, and when you open this website in the browser, okay, there are like a homepage will get open. Like this is our website homepage, right? So we'll just copy this URL here and paste it here, and asking Gemini to create a sample BRD document for the testing purpose. Okay, so it's processing the data in backend, and he will tell us sure. So here is the sample BRD documents, okay, which is in the real-time world or in the real-time organization, it will created by the business analyst and everyone, okay, in the software process. As we are learning how Gemini will help us in manual testing process. So we will got the BRD document first, and on as per that BRD document, we are writing our test scenarios, right? We are creating our test plan. After that, we are writing our test scenarios as per that test plan. After that, we are writing the test case related to that as per that scenario which we are written. Okay, and also we are executing the test cases, and after that we are creating the bug reports and everything. So in this all this process, how Gemini will help us, we'll talk about it. Okay, it's simple. So how cool this BRD, like a BRD, okay, documents will get created here. For example, this is a business goal: increase the brand and awareness about legend, its leads and everything. Okay, target audience, value positions and everything, messaging, calling to actions, content, success metrics, and everything he will created here uh, created here in the best way, right? So as per this BRD document, what we are creating in the manual process. So first of all, let's create like we are creating our test plan. So we are like telling uh, Gemini AI to create a test plan as per this BRD document. So here, let's say, can you ask one more question like, can you create test plan, test plan to test plan to test plan as per this, let's say this documents. Okay, so here I'm just asking some like a tricky question. Okay, so but he still understand and he's creating the test plan or best test plan for us. Like what is the scope, what is the introduction of this, like what is the URL of that our particular website, and here understanding that URL on the web, World Wide Web. We are not providing any information related to this. In your current work, you can also get the documents. Okay, and you can ask create a test plan for as per that document. But here we are not providing any document to the Gemini AI or anything. He's just checking everything on the web where this website is located, and as per that document it's creating the our introduction or scope and test objectives and test approach and test environment, test cases, everything, right? So how best way it will created us test like this introductions and everything. Now let's understand some feature related to the Gemini AI. For example, in ChatGPT there are certain actions we need to like ask in the more fashionable way. But in when we are using Gemini AI, if you not like this response, you can just click here like a show drafts, and here there is one draft which is we are reading currently, right? But if you do not like the answer, you can just simply click on this draft too, and you will get the different related to the answer related to the same process, but in the let's in the different passion. Okay, so here we have get the draft two where we have objective, secondary objective, and everything like that. But here introduction, scope, and test objective like that. And here the primary objective, secondary objective, and test plan third also in the in draft three also we will get the introduction and test objective, scopes, test approach, like we have how to do black box testing, responsive designing, and everything, test cases and everything. So here we can get that like documents. Now we have a test plan also ready within a few seconds only, right? So after that, let's ask Gemini AI to create test scenarios as per this test plan, as per this test plan. Okay, so now he just processing that data which is we have created in the test plan, and he's creating our test scenario. So scenario one is verifying homepage content functionality. So steps here is like open a Chrome browser, this URL, verify that page object like a page is about artificial lab, test case one, whatever test case also it's created. Like scenario one, we have one, two, three, four test cases like that. Okay, every scenario he will create it here steps wise the test cases. Scenario three, testing this like responsive designing, testing call actions, and testing cross browser compatibility and everything. So he created the best test scenarios for us. Okay, as per this small document, like we are explaining in the small document. Okay, same way, if you want to like if you don't want to like read this document, you can simply click on this listen button, and he will read this answer for you. Okay, let's see how it will reading us. Okay, so this is the functionality where we can read this content as well. You can just do it practically by yourself as well. So how it will reading there. Now, in the same way, we can change the drafts. If you don't like this scenario, in the same way, we can change the draft and check for the different like responses for this test scenario. Now, what is the next steps in our like manual testing process? Whenever we create a scenarios, as per that scenario, we'll create a test cases, or we are writing the test case, right? So within a few seconds it will create a test plan for us, it will create like a BRD document for us, it will create test plan for us, it will create a scenarios for us. Now we are asking, let's create test cases, or let's write, okay, write test cases as per this scenarios. Okay, so I'm just asking Gemini AI to create a test scenarios. Okay, and it's the real time data, as I have already told you. Like ChatGPT having like a data till to the September 2021, but the Gemini AI which is having a data in the real time. Okay, so this is the advanced version, and very big advantage is that key we will get the real time data using this Gemini AI. So test based automation. Test cases based on the automation, Bhau-Automation lab homepage test scenarios, and according to that scenarios, he will create the first scenario is this. So according to that, he is created like he will created us for like this test cases on how nicely it will done this written this test cases. Okay, so right, so as per the scenario, we'll create the test scenarios for us. Now the test scenarios also ready in the within a seconds, and now test cases also ready within a seconds. Okay, right. If you don't like this response, I'm going to the draft two, where the different passions the scenarios will get created. Now, if you read this like optional, like repeat or like subset of test cases for the scenario one, two, three using Safari, another related browser, or I'm thinking like that. This is not like that much of professional way. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell, like I'm trying to tell, like Gemini AI 2. create this test cases in the shorter way. Okay, now I'm clicking on the shorter way. So this scenario will get created in the test cases, will created in the very smaller way. Okay, like test case 3, test case 4, ensuring covering with all the contents. It will create a shorter descript, like shorter description of your test cases, right? So if you want to create again longer, you can create on the longer sections again. Okay, so here whatever response we are getting, you have option like we can create that response in the shorter way as well as in the longer way as well. Yes, okay. So again, it will create a like that document in the longer way. Okay. So test case one, test case two, test case three. So this is creating in the like a theoretical part. I don't want like this, like like in this way. So I'll just telling chat like Gemini AI to create in Excel format. Okay, so I'm like we want Excel format of that test cases, right? Okay, so he will tell us sure we can basic test plan and on Bhau-Automation lab Excel format. So this is our test cases which is created in the Excel format. Okay, so simple here how it will like explaining us. Okay, we need to just execute this test cases and add our like pass or fail conditions here, and we can execute that test case. So if you want to like what I'm telling you, the features of like this Gemini AI, like we can create a shorter description of your response. You can create a longer description of your response. Also, you can create a more simpler, like if you want to create a simple answer like that. Okay, it's you can read it easily and understand it easily. So it will create your response in more simpler way. If you want this should be more casual, so we can create on the casual options related to the Gemini. So these are the very advanced options. Using that, you can change your response as and or modify your response as per the your requirement. Like okay, so more casual or more professional way. So I want to send this particular test case to my client. Okay, so create in more professional way. So here it will create a more professional way your test cases. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so within a second, it will create a your test case in more professional way. And here now there are a more certain like advantage or like options which will Gemini AI will provide. Okay, not other AIs. So here you can export this test case into Excel sheet. Okay, I just click on this export to the sheets, and your all test case related to that particular functionality is ready in your Excel sheet. Now you can see how cool it is. So you not need to write any test case or anything. It's everything is ready in your Excel sheet as well. Now you just click on bold section or whatever color you want to do, and you can just execute this test cases here and write a pass fail criteria. So you were like a 60-70% time will get saved to write the test case and everything. So this will directly export to the Excel sheet. Now, if you want to share this test cases, or if you have created the test cases, executed everything, and now I'm asking Gemini AI to create bug report for these test cases. Okay, let's assume any one of the test cases get failed, and we need to create a bug report. Okay, so here how nicely it will create a bug report for us. Okay, actual result is this, was step to reproducers and everything, high priority, severity, what is for that issue, additional information, so browser specifics or anything, screenshot optionally add, and everything, which test cases we are failing, like while executing test cases. So one of two verified title logo, I observed that the Bhau-Automation lab title was not displaying correctly in the browser tab. So expected is that the browser tab should be displayed Bhau-Automation lab clearly. Actually, is browser title displayed something different. It was blank, displayed incorrect title. So this is the bug report which is created. Okay, so if you like this format or this format, whatever format you like, you can use it and simply send this report to your client or your management. So how to share that? So here one more advantage options in the Gemini AI, you can simply share this or export to the doc. So first of all, let's understand what is this share. So whenever you click the shares, and this is a prompt that response, so you can create a public link for this report, right? So if you click on that create a public link, and you can share it here, or otherwise you can copy from here and when you enter this link in your new tab, it will anyone can open it in your browser, and he will access what you want to tell. Like this is the bug report we are sending to him, right? So this is how we can share your like whatever chat or whatever response you got or whatever bug report you got to the your client or your management. You can simply create a public link and you can share it. Now another option is like that. Here you can export this to the doc. Whatever bug report you create, you can just click here and open this doc, and how nicely it will create a bug report here in the document file. You can see here. Okay, so this is the biggest advantage will get provided by this Gemini AI. So you want to like export to the document, or simple you want to share this document, or you can draft a mail to your manager. So you can simply click here on the draft email. Okay, so your email is opening. So just open Gmail, and you can see here how nicely he's created your email here with this bug report, with everything is written nicely. So here we can simply type to whom you want to send this report, and you can simply share this report to the your client or your management. Just type the participant name and click on send button. So this is the cooler function related to the Gemini AI only. So this is the export. Okay, if you want to share this test cases as well, you can share it. Like this. This is the answer. Here we can like if you click on this draft to Gmail, how nicely is test cases also draft to the Gmail. You can see in the table format itself. You can see here how nicely. You just drop the mail and you can send that email. So this is are the advantage versions or like benefits provided by the Gemini. You can simply like that response or dislike that response and everything. I have like explained everything related to this, like shorter, simple, and everything. Now here we have a double click to check the response. So if you want to check this response on Google, you can double click here and see the response related to this. Anything will be come here, like how to create a bug report on test cases, how can write a bug report, or what is the creating bug report. These are the link you will got. You whenever simply you can click on it, and you can simply redirect to the Google and check how to write a good bug report and everything on which databases using which data this bug report is created. It will simply provide that links here. Okay, so here you can simply like a copy that whatever response you got or whatever bug report you got, and you can share to your management, and you can paste it anywhere. Like for example, if I paste it here, so you can paste like this. Okay, so everything is bug reported is created. So this is how like Gemini AI will advance version. What are the Gemini AI features, and how it will help us to reduce our time and efforts while doing the manual testing in your work. Additionally, there is one new feature in Gemini AI which is not available in ChatGPT as it is now. So, for example, you just put the inputs text here like till now, okay, and we'll get the answers. But here is one more option, like you can talk using microphones, and also you can upload the images. So we'll just test the upload image functionality from here. So here we have one homepage logo image. Okay, so homepage image of our website. So I'll just uploading that image here using this upload image functionality. So here we have uploaded this homepage screenshots, which is for this Bhau-Automation Lab website homepage, right? So I'm just asking like Gemini AI to tell something something about this image. Okay, so we have uploaded this homepage screenshot for Bhau-Automation Lab website, and he's processing that data as per that image as well. Okay, right. So this is the bigger functionality. Like now till time we are just like exporting text, but like as per the image also, it will read that image and provide us the information related to that image. Like based on the information you have provided, image you sent in the screenshots, websites like Bhau-Automation Lab. Okay, he's understand this is the screenshots, like, and this website is from Automation Lab, and right corner is the search bar, login, registration page, and home about everything that related to the information related to that image. It will provide us. So how cool this feature it is. Okay, you can use that feature also in your day-to-day work and reporting purpose and processing purpose. If you're not understanding image, you can just tell to the Gemini AI to what type of image it is, and it will provide the best answer. So hope so you like this video so much. You learn like lots of things related to the Gemini AI in this video. Okay, if you like this video, really like this video, you can simply uh, share and subscribe Bahu Automation Lab, and don't forget to hit the like button and notification but bell icon as well, so that you will get the notification of all new related to the videos. Okay, that's it in this video. In next chapter, let's understand how Gemini AI will help us in the while doing the Selenium automation or APM automation testing process. So let's meet in the next chapter. Till time, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.